pasasalamat sa pag-iliwanag ng buhay kong ito'y na dati. She be my queen since we were 16. We want the same things, we dream the same dreams. Alright, alright. Nasa tanabi ko, mukhang delikado na naman ako. Bakit ba kinikilig na naman ako? Babantay sa'yo.
Bebe, nasa ba yung bracelet na bigay ko? I so happy! Dati nakita yun eh, pero nung naibig si Ate Gwen, ito! No, at that time, mayroon akong eme-eme sa braso, yung bracelet. Tapos nilabas ko. Sa confession room, yung papunta sa confession room.
Tapos pag yung pasara na yung bracelet.
Bebe ko. Pogi niya din. So what?
With you forever be true, keep you on my mente siempre en mi vida. I'm a gangster's wife to an anybody killer. Daddy, let me know that I'm your only girl. The only man that I need in this gangster world is you, and I wouldn't trade it.
So why you think you?
Gonna kiss me again? Of course.
And I wouldn't trade.
Good luck to the people. Alam mo, Coach, kailangan na rin kumuha ng tao. Diba?
This is That's Bebe. Say hi, Bebe! Say hi! Hi! Say hi! Hi! Okay, that's Bebe. Bebe wants a hug.
Bebe, ikaw muna, be. Mag-ano ko na, introduce ba? Mabilis lang ako. Go!
Hello!
Bebe! Meron dito! Saan? Sa maid's room. Niwan na ako. Bebe! Meron ko, no? At so, malayo-layo ka pa? I'm scared there.
But only if you listen to me. Come inside of my heart. If you're looking for answers, look at the stars. Come a little bit faster. You're my vice, you're my muse. You're a 19th floor view. I don't see nobody but you. Boy, you got me hooked onto something. Who could say that they saw us coming? Tell me, do you feel?
Sabi nila, kapag in love ka, tumitigil ang mundo mo. I never believed in love. I was deceived by love. I never had much luck with lovers before.
Ang pinaka-naging favorite ko pong kasama sa loob is si Sheena po kasi ever since sa island po, siya rin po yung pinaka-nakaklose ko.
Maraming salamat. I'm sure hindi ka rin makakalimutan ni Sheena. Pero magkikita rin naman kayo sa takdang panahon.
Don't you know you can't escape me? Ooh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby. And we'll linger on. Time can't erase a feeling that's strong. No way you're never gonna shake me. Ooh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby. Baby, ball on the best day. Baby, ball on the worst day. Baby, body, she can get that high. Let me hit it when you're thirsty. Let me hit it on a Thursday. Let me hit it on a Friday. Baby, ball, she can get that high.
Bebe, she's on the koala. She's so cute. Look at her.
Baby, the best part of me is you. Far from you, yeah, di mapakali. I don't really care if you're not coming home tonight. If you wanna stay with me and we can both call it the night. Tahimik ang paligid.
Yung totoong tawa ko yung nakakarindi. So, pag napapatawa niya ako ng ganun, iba na to. True.
Tapos pag napatawan niyo si Sheena ng malalang malala. Okay. May space ka na sa heart niya.
Sorry na. Papansin ko mukha ko. Ay, hindi. Ayun naman.
What if I told you that I've fallen? And I like the way you say my name.
That's what I love. Nestle Crunch. That's what I love. Nestle Crunch.